It's a 2016 Hyundai Sonata. The style is evident, but what you don't see is that safety is at the top of this Sonata's priority list. It earned a 5-star safety rating and offers a rear-view camera, vehicle stability management, and extensive passive and active safety systems. Spaciousness is a pleasant surprise with class-leading room for 5, their luggage, and the flexibility of the split fold-down rear seat. Efficient power is sure to excite with Shiftronic and Drive Mode Select. Granting all this and still offering a color touchscreen, HD radio, and Bluetooth hands-free phone system as standard, the choice is evident. Strength, space, and sophistication contribute to a more satisfying experience every day. Come see this Sonata today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.